Alright, so these are the ingredients necessary for creme brulee. You'll need vanilla flavoring, half and half, eggs, salt, and sugar. Alright, so you want to put in 2 cups of heavy cream, or half and half, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and then you'll want to warm it up just till it's warm. Now that it's warm, we're going to put a teaspoon of vanilla extract into the cream and salt mixture.
We don't actually have vanilla extract, it's vanilla imitation flavor.
And stir it together. In a separate bowl, we'll want to put 5 egg yolks and half a cup of sugar and beat until it's light. So that's what I'll be doing while they're warming it up. Now we're going to pour 1/4 of the cream mixture into here. Okay, stop, Gibby. And then we're going to mix that up. And at this point, we're going to now switch it around and pour this into the cream. So Gabby, put that on down.
I'm not putting it down on the counter.
And then we dump it in there. And we want to get all that sugar out. Yep, put the sugar into there.
Let's see.
Oh, here we go, Gabby. Nice video, too. Lord Rinsman, check out his channel. He's the videographer.
Okay, that's good.
Alright, at this point, we want to stir this one together. So now, we're going to put 5 ramekins into a baking dish and fill them about halfway up with the cream mixture that we just made. Here we go. Gabby's the chef on this portion. Filling them up. Looks like, do we have extra, Gabby? Could we do another one? Now we've filled most of the ramekins up all the way, and the next thing that we'll do is fill the baking pan halfway up with boiling water. So we're boiling that water right now. Now that we have boiling water, we're going to fill the baking pan halfway up. Halfway up. There you go. Alright. There we go. It's filling up. No, keep going, keep going. Keep going. And there we go. That looks good. So now that we have our pan with the boiling water in it.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright. Now we want to take the pan and bake it for 30 to 40 minutes until it's just barely set. The creme brulee. So we'll put it in on the top. Let it cook for 30 to 40 minutes. So we're going to put it in for 30 minutes and check on it when it's ready. At this point, we're going to take it out of the oven after like 30 to 40 minutes. And the crepes just start setting. You can tell because look at this texture on the top. And at this point, you'll have to let them cool down and then we'll refrigerate them for several hours. So I made a mixture of brown sugar and granular sugar to put on top of the creme brulee. So we'll want to just spread this over the top of the creme brulee to bake it onto there.
Do you want it?
Just a thin layer. So I'll go and do this with all the individual creme brulees. At this point, we're going to use our broiler in order to brown the sugar on the top of them. Once they're done, we'll take them out and they'll need to cool, and then at that point they'll be ready to serve. So using the broiler method, we got them pretty browned. So now they'll just need to chill until they're ready to be served. This is the finished creme brulee. Get to see it. A little runny, so maybe next time we need to put it in the oven a little longer, but looks like everyone else is enjoying it, right?
Delicious.
Please leave a like and subscribe.